Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Slurps Fresh Noodle Fridays. It's so great to be back in the kitchen again. Cooking. So today we're gonna be making BUN RIEU. And if you don't know what BUN RIEU is, it is a Vietnamese tomato and crab meatball dish. There are many different varieties made with crab. You got snails, other different varieties of seafood. But the most important part in this particular version is that really deep umami-rich tomato broth, along with the crab, pork, and shrimp meatballs that float up to the top when done, and they're super light, super tasty, and oh so addicting. This is my own variation of it. I realized I forgot to actually add more crab to the meatballs, so please add that to yours. Again, total newbie. Please, if you have any feedback or recommendations, good recipes I can follow, please let me know in the comments below. And enough of me talking, let's go ahead and give this a try. All right, let's go. Might look like a lot of ingredients, but these are necessary. So we have some tofu puffs. I have an assorted amount of tomatoes here. I have 1 onion, a bunch of scallions. We've got some shallots. This is imperative. We got some canned crab and canned shrimp, Vietnamese style, that's cooked in chilies. We've got rock sugar. I have some ketchup that helps with the color and sweetness. We got fermented shrimp paste, an annatto powder for color. I have about ½ pound of shrimp. I also have about ½ pound of ground pork, bean sprouts. We've got some Vietnamese mint, lemon balm, and noodles. Let's go. We're gonna begin by slicing and cutting up those onions, adding some oil and sauteing them. I'm gonna be quartering up all of my tomatoes, about 5 of them, and over medium heat, we're gonna go start heating that up. Adding in about a tablespoon of fermented fish sauce, about 1/4 cup of ketchup, a dash of fish sauce. We got salt. We got our annatto powder for some color, and then adding about 1 liter of water in. Bring that to a boil, and adding our tofu puffs. Cutting our scallions up, adding the white bits to the soup, and then begin making our dumplings, our meatballs, shallots. We're gonna mince that shrimp. Adding in our pork, we're adding in that canned crab and our canned shrimp as well. Adding in our pureed shrimp here, 3 eggs, a dash of salt, and of course a dash of fish sauce. A little bit of fermented shrimp paste if you want. Mix up all together. Bring this to a boil and add in your meatballs by the spoonful. Whoops. And here we have it. Add with your favorite aromatics on top and herbs. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you for next week. Bye!